What are you doing?
Doing editing. What do you think our next adventure should be?
I don't know, but I hope it's exciting.
Oh, I got an email from your doctor. Last doctor's appointment that you went to. Said they're going to send the results by airmail?
Airmail? What do they mean by airmail?
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Sounds like it's coming from outside.
Well, let's go check it out.
Let's go. Airmail?
We should open it up. Wonder what it could be. Oh,
Oh.
yeah.